Hello everybody, Romy is here and welcome to Pixi Dust Design channel, and want to show you my new car. This is the new release. You can find all product in the web Pixi Dust Design, or I have linked all the materials in the description below along with links to where you can find them. So we are going to create a beautiful custom car that you can use for any occasion, but in this case I make a holiday car. The first things we are going to do is use the stitcher rectangle slime die set by Pixi Dust Design. I don't know if my pronunciation is well, you understand. If you have any question, please give me your comments or leave your comments in the screenshot below. Well, I really don't like the solid color, so I'm going to use Distress in Vintage to soften the edge of the car, because I think it's more beautiful when we use the color like red, blue, the dark color paper. So it's really make the difference when you see the solid paper and you use distress ink. I don't know, I really like, so I think you have to try use them. These watercolor are my favorite because their pigmentation is so beautiful. They also leave a bit of shine, and I think that with the red and gold the car is going to look super elegant. I'm going to try making some splatters. I don't know if the word is well, but I will leave the pigment from the watercolor to create some splashes, and don't want to cover the entire background. Just leave some hits of shine. I don't know if you understand, but you can see the process in the video right now. Look, this beautiful background is so beautiful. The color red, the shine, the gold, I don't know, it's really perfect. Now I'm going to use the die from the new release that I really like, because it's a combination of a star with world and the nativity scene. It also has a background that you can see the nets, the world with this illustration that I love you. I'm going to cut a piece ensemble with a lot of patience. It's a process that I really enjoy. I hope you like this car. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you the next time for the next video, and if you enjoy, please share.